what is e-commerce? If you don't know what e-commerce is, you probably live in 1800s or maybe 1700s. Never mind, let's get to the definition you might find in the books. E-commerce is the buying and selling of goods and services over the internet. This includes online shops and websites, mobile apps, online marketplaces. Any transaction that takes place digitally is classed as e-commerce. There are different types of e-commerce. Number 1, business to consumer, also known as B2C. This is when a business sells directly to customers online. Examples include clothing shops, supermarkets, and online electronic stores. Number 2, business to business, B2B. This is when one business sells to another business online. Examples include wholesalers selling stock to retailers through online platforms. Number 3, consumer to consumer, C2C. This is when consumers sell to other consumers using an online platforms. Examples include online auction sites and second-hand selling apps. Let's look at some of the examples and practice. E-commerce can involve ordering products online for home delivery, downloading digital products such as music or games, booking services like travel, tickets, or food delivery. Many businesses operate as pure online businesses with no physical stores, omni-channel businesses that combine online and physical shops. Let's look at some advantages of e-commerce for business. Lower operating costs. Businesses might not need physical shops, reducing rent and utility bills. Wider market reach. Businesses can sell nationally or internationally, increasing sales potential. 24/7 trading. Websites are open all the time, increasing convenience for customers. Data collection. Businesses can track customers' behavior and tailor marketing more effectively. When there are some advantages, there are going to be some disadvantages. So I have covered some disadvantages for you. High competition. Customers can easily compare prices, reducing brand loyalty. Security risks. Businesses must protect customers' data from cyber attacks. Delivery and logistics costs. Managing stock, packaging, and returns can be expensive. Lack of personal interaction. This can make customer service more difficult. Let's look at some advantages of e-commerce for the customers. Convenience and time saving, greater choices, easy price comparison, access to reviews before purchasing. The disadvantages can be that you cannot touch the product, you cannot see it, you can only view the pictures, and you cannot feel the product to see whether it is the quality that you're looking for. So there are some disadvantages. Thank you for watching. Make sure you watch all other videos related to business on this channel. Take care, and I'll see you on next video.